Hello you guys, welcome back to my channel, or welcome to my channel if you are new here. Today I'm back with another fall winter try-on haul featuring Halara. So you guys know, I have been rocking with Halara for years now. They make some of the most comfy, cozy items, and they're constantly coming out with more cool things, and they just keep getting better and better. I do have more of more everyday pieces coming soon, but this is like athleisure, comfy clothes, and so on and so forth. So big shout out to Halara for partnering with me on today's video to share with you guys what I grabbed. And as always, code KELLYAF will save you 20% off any full price item. They're always adding new things to their site, new colors, all the things. So I'll have all the details in the description box down below. So let's first start with the sweat set that I'm wearing. I'm literally sweating, but it's so comfortable, I don't want to take it off. I do not actually own a black sweat set. I own navy, gray, brown, a couple of other like colors that honestly it's time to retire them, but I didn't own a black one, and specifically a black zip up one. I own a lot of like the pullover hoodies. So when I saw this from Halara, I was like, yes, add it to the cart. It fits perfectly. So oversized, so chunky, so comfortable. The pockets on the hoodie have like the big, the normal ones, and then they each have there's a side pocket here for like bigger things, and then there's a super small pocket inside of the pocket. Like the details, attention to detail, incredible. But yeah, I'm pretty much obsessed with this set. I don't want to take it off, and I just love all of the extra details that I feel like you don't even get in like high-end brands, which is incredible because Halara already has amazing prices, and their quality just keeps getting better. So we love that for them and for us. But the rest of these pieces I got, oh my God, I hope I don't sweat the rest of this whole entire video. The rest of the pieces that I got are all kind of general, comfy, cozy, and I'll kind of explain to you why I got them and what I plan to do with them. The first they're like thermal leggings. These are incredible. They have like a fleecy lining in them. And since we're gonna be doing more camping this fall, winter, that's our favorite time to go camping. I hate camping when it's hot. I like camping when it's cold. I thought these would be great for layering under things, but also just going for chillier morning walks as well. They're incredible. They look like a regular pair of leggings. They don't add bulk to you at all. They do have side pockets. They're very like thick, but still don't look thick on the body, if that makes sense. They still look very slimming, very much like a true normal legging, their crossover leggings that they have. But I love the fact that these provide just extra warmth for them. I've had a pair of like thermal leggings for a really long time, and honestly, they're cropped and they have zippers on the side, so I wanted a more of a full length one. So I'm excited to have these in my arsenal for camping, but also just for chillier morning walks around here. Next up are these. I need these in like every single color. These are so cute. Okay, these look like a very popular brand as well, which I have tried those in the past and did not like them, but these I love, okay? Again, these are so cool, and the details is everything. I don't know what this little pull tab thing is, but you could hang like a carabiner on there. You could do a golf tee if you're golfing, anything. They have the side pockets. I love the stripes. I love this like big waistband with the tie at the top. And I did decide to get all of my leggings, I want to say, in a small this go around, because I feel as though the mediums are just a bit too big for me. So I'm going to be donating those and keeping the smalls in my leggings. But I love the colorway of these, and I just think these are so fun. I love a striped pair of leggings. So yes, I need these in every single color. They're that good. I love, love, love. And they have like the stretchy band. They're just so cute, okay? Next up, I wanted a flare legging that I could wear with like boots slash like a platform type of look. So something that I could wear with my like platform Uggs or platform sneakers of such. So I decided to opt for their crossover legs in the tall length. So if you don't know, they have regular, petite, and tall in a lot of their items. And if you can't find it in one style, check another style, because odds are they have it. But these are long. These are good for like I said, like an Ugg or something like that with a little bit of platform. It won't drag on the ground, but it's long enough so it's not high waters. Love these. Crossover waistband, insanely flattering. And these are a little bit thicker, which is good for like a legging like this. So it's very smoothing, very like suck you in. So it feels a little bit heavier than like a workout pant, but nice for the fall and winter. Next up, like I said, we've been doing planning a lot of camping situations. We just went camping with the scouts the other weekend, and I wanted a good pair of like hiking pants. So I saw these and I was like, these look really unique and cool. So I decided to grab them. They look like a legging on the top and they act like a legging on the top. They actually have a zipper to get into the pant because they do kind of like fit up at the top a little bit more. So that's nice that they kind of give a zipper to get in and out of. These are like a flishy material and they've got like the bend in the knee, if that makes sense. These are like true hiking pants. They're flishy, which I believe they're water resistant. They have zipper in and out pockets on the sides. The back pocket is, I believe, just fake though. Yeah, it's just a fake decorative pocket on the back, but I love these. Love the green. These are, I will say, not full length on me, but with hiking boots, that's fine. I don't want them to be full length, so I imagine wearing these with like my Blundstones or just like my hiking boots, and these are gonna be perfect. And you can layer something underneath these as well, so I could wear like those thermal leggings under if I wanted to. If you wanna add more layers, definitely size up, because these are more of a fitted pant, but I love these, okay? I'm a geek for some like cute camping wear situations. Speaking of things with family, Arlo has been very into golf, and I've realized I need to just get on board and take him to golf courses. And I only really have like summery girl golf clothes, and so I wanted a pair of like pant capri type of things where it's not like super cold, like it's still warm here during the day. And even into the 70s, 60s, I can wear these. These are their like golf capri sort of pants. I love the hemming detail at the bottom. I think it's super cute. It's kind of like that rounded tip. And these have the logo on the back leg. Love the little back logo. I think it's adorable. But these are just kind of like their classic joggers, but just in more of a straight leg fit with no tapering at the bottom. And I think these are gonna look really cute with just a plain white tee or a little gray sweater or something like that. And cute for golf course, okay? Because I love a good reason to look cute anywhere I go, okay? Next up, I grabbed this top. I thought this was kind of fun. I feel like I could wear this over the top of workout clothes before the gym or something like that, or after the gym, or like Pilates or anything like that. I thought this was really cute. It's like kind of an off the shoulder black top. It's got cinching at the waist, which is really flattering. Long sleeves, black, and then it's got the little thumb holes if you like them. But I thought this was really fun. Again, I liked pairing them with really anything. I feel like a black top you can pair with any single color, but especially those striped like legging jogger things I showed you, I thought it was adorable. So absolutely love this and think this will be a great piece to add. It's really stretchy, but it's kind of a little bit warmer, like thicker cottony sort of material. So I think that's gonna be perfect for the colder weather. And next up, like I said, I've decided to switch over to small in all of my leggings when I was medium. I have lost a little bit of weight, not like a ton, but since coming back from Illinois, I was, your girl had some winter weight on her, okay, when she was there. Just trying to get into better shape and all of that. So I know the smalls fit me a little bit better. So I grabbed my two favorite styles that they have in a small, long, like not long length, but the full length. So first are their like insane waistband leggings that have this like, I don't know how to explain it, this like panel here that like sucks you completely in. So I just got the blue. Again, I only have these in a medium, not in a small. These have the side pockets, insanely stretchy, but definitely thicker, more compressive material. So not like soft, but not like second skin. Definitely you feel like you're wearing leggings with these, but I like that when I'm feeling I want to be like a little more held in and not like a yoga sort of pant. These are more of like a performance type of legging, and I love this blue color. It goes with so many of the tops that I already have, mix and match with neutrals, love. And then the other favorite style I have, again, is a cross waistband legging that is like butter. Second skin, insanely stretchy. Their like piping stitching detail is so fine that it just like doesn't feel like you have pants on at all when you're wearing these. They literally feel like a second skin. They have no front seam. They do have a back seam to separate the glutes. You have the little logo here at the top. And these just are the softest, most buttery brush leggings that I ever owned. They literally feel like nothing. So these will not suck you in. These are like truly just a second skin type. They almost feel like a tight. They're so thin, not sheer though at all, like very, very thick, or very opaque, I mean. But I love these. So I grabbed these in the purpley color, and then I also got them in the navy. Again, just a small, tall length, or like 7/8, not 7/8, full length, because I wanted that for my wintry workouts. And yeah, I love those leggings. So I'm so happy to have them in a size that I feel like fits me a little bit better. And then last but not least, I grabbed a couple of other pieces that are just kind of like athleisure to add into the wardrobe I already have. I loved this gray sweater. I actually bought it in 2 different styles that they have. This is their crew neck. This does fit insanely oversized. This is a very thin, like athletic type, so it doesn't have fuzz in it, which I like because sometimes the fuzz can be A, too hot for walks, or B, can like get on your like clothing, you know what I mean? So I like that this is just kind of like a silky, athletic, sweat wicking type of material. So I grabbed this. I want to say in a medium. These will run very, very big. I'll have the exact sizes down below, but these also have the pockets on the sides, so nothing on the front, which doesn't make it bulky, but you can still put things in your pocket, which I love. So love that. And then I also grabbed it in the mock neck style as well, which I think is cute. Love, love, love. And again, same pocket detailing on the side of the sweatshirt on both sides. Love. And then last but not least, I grabbed this. This looks so much like those like Free People vests, but I love the colorway of this. I love this so much. This has like, they also have this in a jacket as well. Like this sort of olivey green with like a dark foresty green piping detail. So adorable, so cute to throw on over any sweater, any leggings to walk the dog, go pick up Arlo from school. Just a really cute look. And I really love the hem detail at the bottom here too, with the slits a little bit longer in the back than in the front. Perfectly adorable. Just like a really cool, unique piece. Again, for camping would be great as well. So that is everything that I picked up from Halara. Like I said, this was more of my, sorry, my comfy, cozy sort of haul. I do have more of like an everyday wear that I like to incorporate in like more of a dressier sort of style, you know what I mean? But these are like my go-to comfy cozies. If you have not checked out Halara, or it's been a while, or let's say you just like fell in love with their activewear and skirts, check out their winter pieces. They have so many good comfy cozies, and for the price and the attention to detail in terms of like the small little zipper products or pouches and all that, it's just like so good. So again, big shout out to Halara for partnering with me on today's video, and don't forget to use code KellyF, and that will save you on all their full price items. And I will have all the details, sizing, and all that in the description box down below. I love you guys so much. Thank you all for watching, and I'll see you in my next one very, very soon.